Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mobile Foodies. In today's tutorial, I'll be taking you on how to make moringa tea. So this is the moringa leaves. I want to wash it now. After washing it, I will pat dry it. Then I'll put it in the dehydrator. I've washed the dehydrator basket now. This is the water that I'll use in washing the moringa leaves. These are the leaves. So I've washed it, pat it, or pat dry it. So I put inside the basket already. I want to put inside the dehydrator now. So this time I'm using only 5 layers. So I will cover it. For the temperature, I'm going to use 140. I'm using 140. So I will go and plug it now. So I plug the dehydrator. It's working now. So I'm going to leave it for 7 to 8 hours or until it turns into herbs, until the leaves are well dried. Then I'll show it to you guys. This is how to prepare moringa tea or moringa herb tea. I decided to use only 5 layers because it's not much. This is the dehydrated moringa leaf. As you can see, it's very crispy. You can hear the noise. It's well dried. I dehydrated it for 10 hours. It's done now. So I'm going to blend it. This is the blender I'm going to use. So I'll do it in batches. Hi guys, this is the moringa herbs. I finished blending it. I have the teacup and a saucer. I have the strainer, teaspoon, and a bowl. I want to make moringa tea now. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of tea into a bowl. Then I'll add hot water. After that, I'm going to strain it out. So I'm adding the hot water now. It's a teacup. Then I'll allow it to infuse for 20 minutes. Then I'll strain it out. So I'm going to cover it. So it's 20 minutes now, and I'm going to filter it. I'm going to strain it to get the moringa tea. I'm going to strain it again until the water is clear. So here is my moringa tea. This is a moringa tea. So I'm going to drink it this morning. So thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe. You're not going to pay for it. Subscription is free, so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. So please like my video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Drink this tea first thing in the morning without food, and late at night before you sleep. Thank you so much. God bless you guys.